ब्रिज फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियाच्या आदारान गोवा ब्रिज असोसिएशनान 53वी आवृत्ती आणि पहिली मॅवरिक्स समर नॅशनल ब्रिज चॅम्पियनशिप घडोवन हाडले. ब्रिज हो एक एलिट माइंड खेळ. संवसारभर लाखांनी लोक तो खेळटात. भारताक हो खेळ परको ना. ही चॅम्पियनशिप 2 विभागांनी जातली. क्लब द गॅस्परडायस आणि पणजे जिमखाना 23 ते 28 जून मेरेन यजमानकी करतले. उक्तावण सोहळो 20 जूनाक क्लब द गॅस्परडायस हांगा जातलो. पळयात.
Matches will start on 20th in Gaspardias Club, which will have 2 events, that is ladies pairs and mixed pairs event. So 22nd to 23rd, these 2 events will take place. Thereafter, 23rd onwards, the team event, which is again divided into 2 groups, that is gold and silver. Gold is mostly played by actually the people who are actually whose master points, who are national masters and above. But of course, the others also can participate in that particular group. And there is another event which is called silver teams event, where the only one national master is allowed in each team, and two national masters are allowed in the team, but at no point that 2 masters will play as a pair. Okay. The other than that, so gold event will take place in Panje Gymkhana, and the silver event will take place in Gaspardias Club. So 23rd, 24th, there will be elimination rounds for the teams, both silver and gold. Then whosoever qualifies will continue playing quarterfinals, semi-finals onwards. The people who are eliminated from the elimination round will take part in, there are 3 pairs events. One is called the match point pairs. The second is called the IMP pairs, and the third one is a GOA match event. So there are 3 events. After that will be distributed on 25th, 26th, 27th, and 28th will be the final pairs event, where the match point and IMP events will take place. We are expecting around 60 teams, including gold and silver. So that comprises, you can say, roughly about 300 players. Plus there will be participants who will only take part in the pairs event. So close to 350 to 400 players we expect. And around I can say 30 to 40 players from Goa will participate in various events.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, मनीष परब आणि संगीता ओली.